how to change email address on Twitter. Watch this video till the end. First thing first, launch the Twitter app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens the main menu. You'll tap on Settings and Support. Then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, select your account. Here you can see all of your personal account settings. Then tap on Account Information. Once you are inside, tap on Email to view your current registered address. You may be asked to enter your password to verify. Then click on Next. Now type in your new email address carefully. Make sure it's a valid one you can access. Likewise, hit Next. Twitter will then send a verification code to the new email you just entered. Furthermore, open the email and enter the verification code. Lastly, hit Verify at the bottom right. Once entered correctly, your email will be updated instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to change email address on Twitter.